In the previous video, we are discussing about the Python. What is Python? History of Python, features of Python, application of Python, how to install Python and VS Code. And in upcoming video, or in this video, we are writing the first program of Python. But in this video, we are discuss about the comments and its type. Okay, let's start. Okay, what are comments in Python? So, comments are the line in a Python program that are ignored by the Python interpreter. You are written to explain the code, make it easier to understand, and help other program. Means when you write any program in your upcoming journey, then uh, you can think that you can make a program. Okay, but you can know that this is the program of this part. Okay, but the other program that is not understand that this code is for what work. Then at that time you can write their notification or some instruction that the whole course is written for this. So this line is common. Okay. So the definition of comment. Comments are non-executable statement used to describe or explain the code. Means non-executable. When in your Python you can write the code that can compile or run, but the comments are not compiled. Means not executable. Okay. They improve readability and maintenance of the program. I told you that when you can write any code that is for you, but when the other program can uh, do work on this project, then they do not know that which code is for which part. Okay. And so we can use comment like I am write here a line and we can write code according to the lines that I can write here um, print hello world. Okay, we can write print hello world or you can write hello world. So definition of comment. Comment and non-executable statement used to describe or explain the code. Means comment एक ऐसा लाइन होता है जो एग्जीक्यूट नहीं होता. ओके. और वो क्या करता है रीडेबिलिटी बढ़ा मतलब होता है उसमें कोई भी आदमी उसको रीड कर पाएगा ये कोड लिखा हुआ किसके बारे में लिखा और किस पार्ट के बारे में लिखा हुआ है. एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ ए प्रोग्राम और प्रोग्राम को मेंटेनेंस करने के टाइम उसका हेल्प होता है. नाउ एडवांटेज ऑफ कमेंट. यस हम लोग से जो कोड होगा वो VS कोड आपको कर भी देगा. सो दैट्स नॉट वरी. एडवांटेज ऑफ कमेंट. कमेंट का क्या क्या एडवांटेज है. इम्प्रूव कोड रीडेबिलिटी. कोड को रीड करने में इम्प्रूव होता है हेल्प होता है. मैक्स मैक्स डिबगिंग इजली. ओके. हेल्प इन टीम वर्क. मेक फीचर अपडेट सिमिलर. एक्सप्लेन कॉम्प्लेक्स लॉजिक. Okay. Then type of comment. There are two type of comment. The first is single line comment. The other is where it is yes here. Multi-line comment. Single line comment. A single line comment start with a hashtag symbol. जो सिंगल लाइन कमेंट होता है वो हैशटैग से स्टार्ट होता है. यस इसका प्रैक्टिकल हम लोग यूज करेंगे तो इसको हम लोग पढ़ लेते हैं. दूसरा है मल्टी लाइन्स कमेंट. व्हाट इज मल्टी लाइन कमेंट. मल्टी लाइन Python does not have dedicated multiple line comment syntax. So how many types? There are type of multi-lines. The first is method one and the second is method two. For method one, as similar, we can put hashtag line by line. The second method is triple quotes, that is single or double quotes are used. So the triple quadrate text is actual string lateral. It is often used to a comment when it is not assigned to a variable. Okay, so we can do practical on VS Code that how a single line comment and multi-line comments are used. Okay, so I am here in VS Code. Now we create a ID that f dot py. Do you know why we use py dot py? Because the Python extension file is py. Okay, then select interpreter that is recommended. Okay, we can do. Now, what should we do? We do first program or anything. We do first program, okay? This is the first program. Hello world. Now we can run. So there is print hello world. This is the first program of Python. Okay, this is well. Now we understand comments. Now I can write anything but I want Bimal method. Okay, you can see there is many errors. So simple we can write any line that is not well. So we can write here hashtag. Okay, so you can see that is comment. Now I can print. Can we execute it? There is no output. Okay, now we can print my name. This is comment and this is code. In this code, we can tell कि प्रिंट करो आई एम बिमल कमरा मतलब बिमल आई एम बिमल कमरा लाइन को इस आउटपुट में टर्मिनल में इसको प्रिंट करो ओके देन वी कैन रन you can see there is print I am bimal kumara means this is comment and this is code as simple we can write like this so this code is or this line is not executable again we can run there is no output again we can write the code then we can print I am bimal kumara. Okay, that means when we write any code and for depth, readability, and understandable, so we can write a line. Okay, here we can write like print. Okay, now you can see, now you can understand. This is just like question. Okay, क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है कि प्रिंट करो आई एम विमल कुंभा के लाइक प्रिंट आई एम विमल कुंभा तो अगर हम लोग सिंपल इसको प्रिंट करें ओके सो देयर इज नो आउट अगर हम लोग ऐसे सिंपल इसको लिखेंगे और रन कर देंगे तो यहाँ पे हम लोग का टर्मिनल में जो भी आउटपुट है या प्रिंट बोल सकते हैं, प्रिंट नहीं होगा। उसके लिए हम लोग को लिखना पड़ेगा। अगर मान लीजिए सिंपल हम लोग बता दिए, अब प्रिंट होगा कि नहीं होगा, चलिए हम लोग टेस्ट करते हैं। सो देयर इज एरर, मतलब हम लोग सिंपल इसको रन नहीं कर सकते। ओके, नाउ वी कैन राइट कोड। इससे क्या पता चला कि हम लोग इसमें आई एम विमल कुंभार को प्रिंट कर रहे हैं। और प्रिंट करने के बाद यहाँ पे हम लोग उसको, जो उसका कोड है उसको कोड का हम लोग लिखेंगे, देन वी कैन रन। So you can see there is print. Okay, this is a single line of code. So the first type is single line comment. Yes. And the second is multi-line comments. There are two methods to use. The first is use hashtag and the other is triple comments. Okay. This is a single line comment. Now we use multi-line comments. For use multi-line comment, I can copy some text from Google. Okay. Then I can paste here. Okay. This is multi-line. One, two, and three, 4 lines. Okay. Now we can use like step. The method in one is include or type step. एक क्या हम लोग का पहला मेथड क्या हमने उसको लाइन लाइन करके भी हैशटैग देते हुए उसको हम लोग कमेंट कर सकते हैं. But these are only 4 lines. When we have multiple lines, then what should we do on the time? We can write like hashtag, hashtag, hashtag. No, there is, we can use second method. Okay, so we can do that. So what? This is command. Now we can see, yes, there is only one. This is the first example that I have. Yes, there is, we were, for what would I, sorry. Now you can see, now we can run. So there is no error. Means the comments are passed. So we can learn two types of comment, the single line comment and the multiple line. Now we are revise. Okay. The first is we use hashtag and write print your name. Okay. Print your name. That's a simple like that. What is your name? Then we can print. What is your name? Okay, then we can run. Yes, what is your name? This is the comment and we can print it. This is multi-line, single line comment. Now we use multi-line comments, okay? We don't write code. Okay, we can run, again run, okay. Now we use multi-line command. Mistake, what is your name? Then we can print the first is what is your name, print what is your name. Then we use what is your name, then name, what is, sorry, what is your name? Okay, then we can write here what is your father name. Hmm. Now we can print, then again, what is your mother's name? Then we can write code, print what is your mother name. Okay, we can remove the first single statement, then we can clear it. Okay, then we can run. Thus you can see what is your name, what is your father name, what is your mother name. And we can see there is no any input by the user. So we can, when we do input output, then we can use the, when you can write, and that is string. Okay, ये क्या हो गया, हम लोग सिंगल लाइन कमेंट, ऐसे ही हम लोग उसको मल्टी लाइन कमेंट्स में भी कर सकते हैं, छोटा मोटा करेगी कोड होंगे इसलिए. Now we can write it and we can remove it. Yes, you can see there is also the past. Yes, क्या प्रिंट होगा, एकदम होगा. देखिए प्रिंट हो गया. तो हम लोग इसमें क्या क्या पढ़े. I said don't talk. Wait, I'm telling don't talk. First we can, what is Python, what is comment, then definition of comments, then advantage of comment that is used in this, the PPT is used in your interview time for your quick revision. Okay, so we can study about the comments, definition, advantage of comment, type of comment in Python. There is two type, single line comment, and the second is multi-line comments. Single line comment has no uh, one more than one method. There is only one method, including a stack, and in multi-line comment we can use method tool. Okay, we can use both. Now some interview questions. What is a comment in Python? The second question is which symbol is used for a single line comment? That these questions are regular asked by the interviewer. And the third question is how do you write multiple comments in Python? Okay, the four is does Python execute comment? There is no, because the comments are non-executable. Okay. The fifth question is what are comment? Uh, why are comments important? The comments is used for best reliability for uh, and debugging and maintenance, and its work on teamwork. Okay. we can complete this paragraph. And the coming videos, we can talk about the keywords, identifier, and module to start. Okay.